Hi guys, I'm sitting in my bed and this is what I see. Overwhelming, isn't it? But today, I'm going to fix it. As you can see, this space of my bedroom is not serving its true purpose. These chairs are mostly a catch-all for laundry because this is not a very relaxing place to sit and watch TV. Okay guys, looking at this side of the room, you may notice that those bookcases have already been updated and the link to that is here. So, let's flash back to what this room used to look like. You can see that a little bit of paint goes a long way. I'm beginning this transformation by placing a rug that matches the rug underneath the bed. This rug will define this area as our bedroom seating area, but it also allows this area in the room to feel like it belongs in the room. I found both of these rugs at walmart.com and this one was $32.25. Now I'm going to put together a table that I found on amazon.com. I selected this table because the top of the table has a marble look to it, just like the marble that's in the picture that's above the bed. The legs of the table and the trim on the bottom of the table is a gold finish like the picture frames and some of the decorative elements that are in the room. This table is very easy to assemble. As you can see, I'm doing this fairly quickly in only 3 steps with no tools needed. This table only costs $47.96, but I think it's a great addition to have in this seating area for holding coffee cups, decorative elements, and remotes. Okay guys, so now we're going to place some accessories on this table. First, I wanted to begin with an accessory that pulls in the colors from the room. So I have this blue and white vase that matches perfectly with the rest of the decor in the room. Next, I'm going to add in my accent color, which is this really pretty pink color. So I have this bundle with hydrangeas and roses, and I'm holding them together with a rubber band to make sure that they keep their shape while they are in the jar. My next element that I'm going to add is my picture frame. This picture frame was actually purchased at the Dollar Tree for only $1. And I'll admit I have a lot of picture frames, but no pictures to go in them. But this brings out the gold that is on the walls, on the table, and I think it's a very good accent. Next, I have this nice little plate that I found at World Market. It was the only one there, so it was marked down, but the color in the plate kind of swirls, so it's not white, but it's not clear. So I thought this would be a good little plate to hold some different accessories, and I just really love the gold trim and how it matches the table. Last but not least, I'm just going to add on a few pieces of gold jewelry to this tray, just to make sure that I'm accentuating all of the beautiful gold in this area, because once I add the chairs and the pillow, I feel like I don't want that gold color to be drowned out. So now I'm having my husband and my son, who do not want to be on camera, bring in the chairs that I'm going to place in this seating area. They're also bringing in the pillows that will go in the chairs. And here is the finished look. If you would like to see how these chairs were actually brought back to life, I have the video linked at the top of the page. At this point, I think it's safe to say that when I'm laying in bed watching TV, I no longer have that overwhelming anxiety looking at this side of the room. For more inexpensive design inspiration, be sure to spend your weekends with Winnie. Bye!